I made passive wooden speakers and they have a big secret. From the beginning, I wanted to make something small and light, so that could be easy to carry anywhere. I thought it would be great to put it in a bag and take it out when I need it. I don't even have to use it as a speaker. I can use it as a cell phone stand when I watch YouTube. I wanted something that's small, so I drew a speaker of this small size. The part of sound comes out is about a centimeter from the end. There are 3 holes, 1 centimeter long, and there's sound coming out. This part will go into the sound hole and the sound will stretch out here and it will be amplified. I can't predict how much the sound will amplify, so I think I need to make it to know. The design is decided. I created a file with a computer and cut it with a CNC. Each layer with different holes is being cut one by one. I'm going to make 3 speakers because I want to test how different the sound depends on the length of the speaker. Too many pieces came out, so it was a bit confusing to assemble. I've sorted them by size so that I can easily choose which ones are where. Now I decided how to assemble. I could imagine how it will look like in the end. Sanding time before assembly. And paste them one by one. I clamped it while the bond is dry, so it stuck hard. I made 3 different lengths. I wanted it to be small and fit my hand, so I need to find the size that's small with good sound amplification. Now the bond is all dry, neatly attached well. Clean up the messy parts with the bond inside and sanding again. This is plywood. I bought it because it looks good, especially in cutting phase. It is nice. I think it's more beautiful than I thought with layers. I like it. I gave a little curve to the edge with the sanding machine. The wood has a vintage feel, so the soft edges seem to fit better. Sanding requires patience and time. I finished them with Danish wool dark wallet. Since the plywood itself is dark, it became very dark with oil. It's my personal favorite color. The old layer is very nice. I carefully applied the oil inside too. For the areas that can be reached, I applied oil with a brush. Wait for the wood to absorb the oil and wipe it off with clean cloth. The next day, after the first oil dried, I applied the second coating. I applied it twice, hoping that the color would be a little darker, but they didn't get darker than the first color. The simple wood speaker project has done like this. Let's see how much they amplify the sound. Do you hear that the longer the length is, the better the sound amplifies in the speaker? Overall, the sound is softer and grander than just listening to a cell phone speaker. But these speakers have a big secret. That is, it cannot hold a cell phone. It falls down. It just falls down. They can't handle the weight of the phone. Yes, this is a failed project, completely failed. But it's okay because there's plenty of opportunities to improve the design. To be able to hold the phone, I might put something very heavy inside here to increase its weight, or I can make the length longer. There might be a way to deepen the depth of the hole here. Or the phone can go this way. Do you have any ideas? Please write it in the comments below and I will try it. There's a lot of solutions to one problem, which is great. The next design is wholly depend on my choice. I really like this process. Make, fail, improve. Create, fail, improve, all these circumstances. Not all projects will go in the right direction, but I think all the fun and joy are in the process. Who will share my failures, successes, and development? Please subscribe to this channel and I will see you on next video.